What's up, guys? I'm checking out The Bird and the Bee, and this one's titled Sara Smile, requested by It's Art. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before. I don't think I've heard anything from The Bird and the Bee. Interpreting the Masters Volume 1, a tribute to Daryl Hall and John Oates. Wait, so is this more modern act? Because, like, looking at this album cover, I did straight up think this is like something out of the 80s or maybe the 70s. But reading that makes me think that this is more recent-ish. I don't know. We'll do some research because I'm like 99% sure I have not heard a single thing from these artists. Seems to be a duo. The Bird and the Bee. Let's see. Yeah, pop duo. Boom. Okay, switch. Boom. All right, so The Bird and the Bee is an American indie pop musical duo from Los Angeles consisting of Anara George, the Bird, and Greg Kirsten, the Bee. Okay. Kirsten is a 9-time Grammy Award winning. Okay. Okay, cool. Very accomplished, very successful. Okay, and they kind of started off in early 2000 or late 2000s, 2006. Genres indie pop, synth pop, and dream pop. Cool. Got the discographies here. Self-titled 2007. 2020 is the most recent. 2022 a single. Okay. Yeah. I think that being said, we just go ahead, hop straight into this one and check it out. The Bird and the Bee, Sara Smile. So is this a cover of a Hall & Oates song then? Let's see. It is, and it's actually one that I've heard, albeit 6 years ago at this point. But okay. I mean, it makes sense. I didn't know if it was like a cover kind of tribute or just like a tribute in sense of like, the style and the aesthetic of the song.
Baby hair with the woman's eyes, I can feel you're watching in the night, all alone with me. Cold, you warm me, and when I feel I can't go on, you come and hold me. It's you and me forever. Sara, smile. Won't you smile a while for me, Sara? Like a leaving, you know you can go, but why don't you stay until tomorrow? If you wanna be free, hey, you know, all you got to do is say so. And when you feel cold, I'll warm you. And when you feel you can't go on, I'll come and hold you. It's a you and me forever. Sara, smile. Won't you smile a while for me, Sara? Sara, smile. Won't you smile a while for me, Sara? Sara, smile.
Okay. I'm assuming the original sounds similar to this, but not entirely the same. Like this, I don't know, in my opinion, felt like it had a bit more of a modern, touch to it, but it was still at the same time like you could, hear the original deep down in there. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and re-listen to that one because I genuinely just like forgot that that was, a song by them. But I thought this cover was, or I don't know, would you call it? I guess technically it's like a remix or something. I don't know. Remix cover, whatever you want to call it. I thought, that it sounded really nice vocally, production wise. It's really just an engaging song to listen to. Nice little slow jam. And yeah, I enjoyed that one. But yeah, that was The Bird and the Bee, Sarah Smile. If you guys enjoyed that one as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.